The Senapati District Truck Owners Association and the Senapati District Truck Drivers Union have called a steering down along National Highway number 2 after Saparmaina police allegedly arrested a truck driver at an unauthorized checkpoint located about 200 to 300 meters from the official police gate. As per a report on Ukhrul Times, the driver is identified as Aspiri David of Tungjoy village and was allegedly assaulted, beaten, kicked and punched before being taken into custody. The arrest was reportedly made without an arrest memo and the driver remains in police custody, the truck bodies said. The incident occurred around 5:30 a.m. today and the steering down agitation began immediately after the news spread. Senapati District Truck Drivers Union and the Senapati District Truck Owners Association have termed as unlawful act and warned to intensify the agitation if amicable solution is not reached at the earliest.